cord, the power cord, and it fits into the back of the unit just like so. This is the cable for the foot switch, and that fits right into the back of the unit, and it only can go in one way. It's keyed. You have to put the little arrows up, and that snaps into the back. Okay, that takes care of the back of the machine. Now we turned it around, and now we have the cable for the motor. That goes in the front. There's two little pins, and all you have to do is make sure the pins are lined up properly, and it snaps in. Just pull back, and this is the hardest part. To get this, to get that in. It's ready to go. Throw the switch in the back. The machine is activated, ready to go.